Ooh, that's a bass. Just check that out. Got the first fish, first open water fish of the year. Little tiny pike, just like always. All right, there we go. Nice little pike. They are in here already. And off he is. Sweet, that didn't take long. Anyway, welcome to another episode of Midwest River Rat. Looking for bass because bass are open all year round, catch and release. And there are largemouth in here, I know for sure, and a lot of pikes. So I'm on the backwater pond behind my house. What do we got? What do we got? Ooh, that's a bass. Just yeah. That's what we're looking for. That's a nice one too. Don't put that hook in me, please. All right, and we got the sun facing the right way. Check that out. Probably about 14 inches, I'd say, but it's a fat one. Well, I could really make this fish look big, you know, if I was a real bass fisherman. All right, off it goes right away. Sweet, that's awesome. Wind died down. That is freaking awesome. Another bass, no way. Two bass in a row. No, no, stay in the boat. Oh, he's off, he's off, he's off. Stay. Got him. There's another guy. Probably about a 11 inch or something like that. That's freaking sweet. We got more bass than pike. That's the first time that's happened out here. And off it goes. That's pike. Rattle trap. Haven't caught very many fish on this bait. That's a decent sized pike for this water. Oh, wow. Holy crap, he wrapped that thing around his face. Alright, one more look for you guys. Probably a little over 20 inches maybe. 4 fish in the boat. But caught them on this rattle trap that I got out of a tree. It's always nice catching a fish on a free bait. That's pike. These pike are wrapping around their face. Oh no, he's really hooked. Jeez. Well, he's in the boat and he unwrapped himself. That was scary. That could have put a hook in my face. Alright, so he was out of the water for a while. I had to get that hook out of his throat. It was buried in there, but we'll get him back in the water. There he goes. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, I will put a link in the description and in a comment below. There'll be a playlist of just videos from this back pond because I catch a lot of fish out of here. I really appreciate everybody for watching, like I said, and I will catch y'all on the next episode. Peace.